ready for the dictation. 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ready. Start. In the impugned order, the learned judge has assigned reasons full stop. He has found from the record and the affidavits placed that even the appellant plaintiff did not take any concrete steps full stop. In a suit filed in the year 2000, the writ of summons was not prepared and served till 2009 full stop. In paragraph 6 of the impugned order, the explanation that the writ of summons was served promptly has not been accepted full stop. The learned judge has found that the writ of summons was not served for a period of 9 years after institution or filing of the suit full stop. In such circumstances, an overall view of the matter was taken, and by balancing the rights and equities, the learned judge has granted the request of the respondents to allow them to file the written statement and defend the suit claim on merits full stop. In the process, the learned judge has relied upon well-settled principle that all procedural rules are handmaids of justice full stop. So long as there is no irreparable loss or prejudice or a case made out of mala fides, ordinarily a party should be allowed to defend legal proceedings is the rule invoked and applied. Then we do not think that in the facts and circumstances of the present case the application of such rule can be faulted full stop. Once the rights and equities have been balanced, then we do not think that in further appellate jurisdiction such an order deserves interference full stop. The appeal is devoid of merits and is dismissed full stop by consent of parties. The time to take inspection of the documents and complete pre-trial formalities is extended by 8 weeks full stops. As is clear from the above, the circumstances which weighed with 10 full stop notice in the special leave petition was issued on July 18, 2017, which was duly served upon all the 5 respondents full stop. However, none of the respondents have entered appearance full stop. Accordingly, the registry processed the matter for listing before the court and it was listed for hearing of March. The High Court, in condoning the delay, was that though the suit was filed in the year 2000, summons were served only in the year 2009 full stop. Plea of the appellant that summons were actually served in the year 2000 itself was not accepted full stop. On this basis, the High Court came to the conclusion that since appellant itself took time of 9 years after institution or following of the suit to serve the summons upon the respondents, herein equities were balanced by allowing the respondents to file the written statement, more so when no irreparable loss or prejudice was caused to the appellant and no case of mala fides was made out against the respondents full stop.